Hello everyone, Filip here, bringing you yet another tutorial on how to manage to find your router in the network. So as you see here, if I go to network, I can see my router right here. So the first way to make sure it will work is just to go to your router's homepage. If you don't know the address, it should be very simple, just Google it. So when I'm here, make sure you're logged in as administrator. If you have to log in, the username is most often username or admin, all in small letters, and the password is usually password or admin. If they aren't, someone has probably changed them. So here for Thomson users, just go to this page, toolbox, game and application sharing, and make sure use UPnP is on yes or enable. So we can go ahead and click that down. What you'll want to make sure as well is that you go to the control panel, network and internet, network and sharing center, and then change advanced sharing settings. Make sure that network discovery or identification is enabled or activated. You can probably have all of these activated. Also make sure that they are activated publicly and as well as home or work. So another way is to go to the control panel once again. This time you want to go to System and Security, Windows Firewall, and Advanced Settings. So here you'll want to go to Rules for Incoming Traffic, and just scroll down till you find Network Identification. Make sure that all of these are enabled. I'm not sure if you all really need all of them, but I have them enabled just in case. If they aren't enabled, you won't be able to find your network. So the final way to find your router is to go to click start, type in services.msc, press enter, and here you'll want to find SSDP discovery, which discovers routers and stuff. Make sure it's started. As you see here, mine is on. If this wasn't enabled, I wouldn't be able to find my router. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to try them out yourself, you can end the video and watching the video. I'll just go ahead and demonstrate that these you have to have these enabled. So let's just go ahead and inactivate this one. I actually have to inactivate it. I can't stop it because it starts itself. So network. There you go. As you see, no routers here. Go ahead and put this on manual and start. And now you see the router is on, or is viewable. Okay, so we're done with that. Control panel, network sharing. So if I inactivate this one, save, I'm not able to see anything here, not even my computer. So yeah, that should be on. And if I go to the firewall and change the ones I showed before into active, inactive. Let's see here. These ones, if I go ahead and inactivate those, once again I can't see anything here. So go ahead and activate those. Or the router's home page. Go to toolbox, and now I'm gonna go ahead and this how do you say it? Disable. That's a word. Disable UPnP. And what did I do now? Configure. Press that. I can't see my router here. So yeah, that's hopefully it. If you have seen this first before the first one, go ahead and check that one out as well. It's one other alternative way to change so that you can see your router. So yeah, hopefully this worked for you guys. If not, I will have to find yet another way. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and sticking out to the end. So go ahead and try this out. Taliban cooking out. Bye!